Nice, so I finally did it. I signed up for Open University. This year I decided to only take one module because I'm working full-time as well, so I don't want to take too much work on me, and I am studying business management, and I signed up for B100, which is introductory module for the business management. I completed my registration around 2 days ago, so I was very surprised when I came back from work and I saw this on my doorsteps. And I really hope that the package is intact because it came a little bit open, it was raining outside, so I really hope that the books I received are intact. Well, let's... Okay, so inside I have books. There is... Okay, actually the first one is a module guide. It's actually quite a thin booklet, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I have seven books, but each of them is quite thin, and each of them covers different topic. The first one is the introduction, then there's working in organizations, the accounting and business finance. I'm really looking forward for this one. I think it will be my favorite one, the best one. Then we have marketing. Oh, why did I say the accounting is the best one? Because I really like maths and I like numbers, so I think I will enjoy accounting, but who knows? Then we have the economics and political context and business ethics. And the last one is the global context. We also have the Read Me First booklet. Okay, I will read it later. But it pretty much tells you that inside there is study planner, welcome, how to register to welcome forum, that I should read the module guide, read the assignment booklets, and that I should contact my tutor. And inside, that is the welcome letter from the university. But I can't really see the study planner. Is this a study planner? No, that's just a module guide. So where is it? Where's the study planner? Okay, so this paper says that there is no study planner, that the parcel should contain 7 books, charge letter, module guide, and Read Me First leaflet, which I got. I'm really excited to finally start studying, so sorry guys, but I'll have to say goodbye because I want to read all of the materials I get. And I think I'll update you in around 2 months about what's going on, and yeah. So see you later!